Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mukhtar Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Now our today's topic is answering question. Dear students, before starting the class, I would like to say that as a Muslim, we should read the Holy Quran correctly. There are some rules to recite the Holy Quran correctly. Wajib Gunna is one of them. Dear students, now let's see the board. Topic answering question number 6, term annual 21, lesson number 17, SW number also will be 17. Dear students, now let's start our today's topic. Answering question or question answer are same. Number 6. What is Wajib Gunna? And the answer is when Tajdeed is used with Noon and Mim, the pronunciation of this Noon and Mim will be done buzzing sound. It is called Wajib Gunna. Dear students, I repeat question number 6. What is Wajib Gunna? And the answer is when Tajdeed is used with Noon and Mim, the pronunciation of this Noon and Mim will be done buzzing sound. It is called Wajib Gunna. Dear students, now SW. And SW topic will be question answer number 6. So dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.